Hi, I'm Dennis, and today we're featuring Black & Decker's new Push Connect under cabinet lighting system. It's very simple, very easy to install. It'll save you a ton of time during planning and installation. Let me show you how it works versus traditional systems today and what makes it different and unique. So first, we have a traditional system over here called the direct wire under cabinet system. So you would direct wire this, and then you would connect it with jumper wires. This is the jumper wire. As you can see, it's very thick, and it only comes in predetermined lengths. So good luck as far as trying to lay out your kitchen and trying to hide that wire. It's pretty thick. Second, we have a plug-in system over here. And as you can see, they are predetermined jumper lengths for these as well. So again, you have to lay out the kitchen, you have to plan the size of the jumpers. It's very cumbersome and a lot of planning. What makes the Black & Decker system different is the fact that you have the ability to cut the wires custom lengths on the job site to any length possible. So you show up on the job site with your lights, your spool of wire, and your power source, and you're ready to go. The way this works is you cut the wires to a certain length, any length you want, strip the ends, and you simply just push them into the end of the light bars, and you're done. Very simple, very easy. So let's get started. Let me show you how it's done. All right, so we're ready for our installation. So we've got our light bars over here, we've got our spool of wire, we've got our adapters. So step one is determine how many light bars you need for your kitchen. Our light bars are 9 inches long. They do up to 36 inches of cabinets. So each one of these cabinets is under 36 inches, so we're gonna need one per cabinet. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 total lights. Second, I'm gonna take my spool of wire. This makes this so simple. I'm just gonna rough cut how much wire I'm gonna need for each light. All right, so we've got our wire laid out. Pretty simple. Third step is to determine your power source. So we've got 3 options. First is a 24-watt plug-in. Second is a 48-watt plug-in. Third is a 48-watt direct wire. 24-watt does 6 lights. 48-watt does up to 12 lights. So we've got 8 total lights today. So we're going to choose a 48-watt adapter. We've chosen to use a plug-in option today, so we're going to get rid of these guys and use the 48-watt plug-in. Okay, so let's get at it and let's finish the install. For easy installation, the bars come with clips that include 3M tape. So to install these, I like to use a spacer. This spacer is about 2.5 inches. You put the spacer right in the back of the cabinet. You can peel and stick. And put the bar right behind the spacer. I've already pre-marked on the cabinet where this is going to go, so I'm simply going to just peel and stick. So peel that off, and we will stick it right up. Okay, the bar is in place. They do come with screws as well, if you do want to go back and put screws in, but the tape is industrial strength. It should last for a lifetime. So let's go and let's install the rest of the lights. So our lights are up. Next step is to install the hands-free on-off sensor. So super cool feature. Black & Decker thought of everything. The way this works is it plugs into your power supply, and you can literally put this anywhere in your kitchen. So we've chosen a spot here that gets a lot of use close to the stove and the microwave. And so you plug it in to your power supply, and then you can run lights both ways, left and right, off of this, which is super cool. That's why you can put it anywhere in the kitchen. So what we've done is we've already installed a power supply up here and pre-drilled the hole to run our power wire. So I'll run that down there, and the way you install it is you just plug it in, and then you peel and stick, just like we did for the lights. So we'll peel those, and you really want to get this right in the corner of your cabinet. So you hide it as best as possible, but it's easy to find when you want to turn it on and off. So just peel and stick. It's in the corner of our cabinet. Good. All right, the hands-free sensor is in place. So next step is to route all of our wires. So to do that, we're going to take a drill and use a 5/16 drill bit, pretty small. We're going to drill through the front face of each one of these cabinets, just a small hole so we can feed our jumper wires right through. So let's do that right now. right, now all of our wires are in place, so it's time to strip and connect. I like to start with the first light off of the sensor. So I'll grab my 20 gauge wire strippers and we'll start stripping and connecting the wires. All right, the moment of truth. We just finished installing our Black & Decker under cabinet lighting, the push connect system. We are going to plug it in, the last step, and turn it on using the hands-free sensor. Look at that. Oh, it looks awesome. Hands-free sensor has a 3-hour timer on it, so it turns off after 3 hours automatically. It's an optional timer. Also has 10 dimmer settings, so you can cycle all the way through. What's really neat about this system is it remembers your last setting. So if you want it on low and use it as a night light, you can do that. And also, look how slim it is. You can't see anything, can you? Slim profile, awesome. So thanks for watching, and hey, enjoy your lights.